Let's hear your stomach growling. Hi, Kika. Okay. Let's hear Mommy's stomach growling. Stinking soap.
Ow. Your flashlight burned me.
It's okay, Mom.
It burnt me.
It's okay, Mom.
But the flashlight burnt me. It burns Mommy's stomach. I'm not kidding.
It's okay. I'm...
Stop that video for a second.
Okay.
Stop it for real.
See? I turned it off.
There you go. Now put it down.
I turned it off.
Thank you. It really hurts. It really does burn. It hurts.
So, Mommy's stomach looks... Kayla's stomach looks funny. Your big sister is helping your best friend I ever seen.
You're so silly.
Is that smoke?
It's a vape.
Vape?
It is smoke, but it's not the same.
Because it helps you smoke.
It helps you stop smoking.
You're coughing.
Yeah, because these are they burn my chest. Make me cough.
I know. Make it growl. Make your belly growl very long.
I don't know if I can. My back kind of hurts. Okay, ready?
Where's my phone?
I lifted it up.
Oh, thank you. Did your belly growl long?
I think so.
There's your belly.
Again. Okay, that's it. Hold on.
Make it so wet. Soap just laughed at you.
I know.
Mommy, I wanted to growl very wet.
But that's all I could do, honey. It hurts Mommy's belly when I do that.
It's okay, Mom.
Last one.
Your belly's gonna growl all the time because I make you swallow.
Mm-hmm. It hurts. Oh man, something wrong with my shoulder, arm.
It's okay, Mommy.
I think it's done.
Thank you for coming to Sink and Friends. And thank you for coming to Soap and Friends.